Pirates, they're not going to win any trophy. Even last year, questionable the way they won the trophy. I question even the semi-final, how they won to Stellenbosch, the Reeve played a major part. Pet Sabaniga by winning the official, thank you. But for me, winning the trophy in Kalungabani. In the Betway Premiership, there is a possibility even number 9 Bangaway. Because each and every team is Alanabo. They are ordinary players. They've got ordinary team. Average players. There's no team. Each team is Alanabo. They've been dominated by Golden Arrows. Even
yeah, they did. I think Golden Arrows beat them 2-1. Mangobam coached one of his best coaches.
So, even now, they're going to remain the ordinary teams. West, expectations. I'm not too sure psychologically those players they will be able to cope, including the coach. It's very difficult. They are going to bring it back. But I think it's the one who's signing now. Somewhere, these international players, somewhere, I think I think he believe in these. Now, he knows him, but it's similar type of players. Our Chanda would put the ball in the box and then we finish. So, it's top 8. It will be lucky, yes, the possibility, but not top 5. They can last 6, 7, or either 8 or out. But winning the trophy, they're not going to win.
So they're already out of the MTN 8. So. Yeah, so it's only Culling and Nedbank because they're not going to win the league. Yeah. Of course, this Pirates.
It's disappointing in the Babum.
Yeah, Pirates and Sundowns are very good in the league. So
yeah,
that's going to be difficult. And it's over 30 matches as well. So you can't luck your way.
Marathon.
Yeah, exactly. There you are. Then thank you very much to Junior. That was us catching up to everyone earlier on with so.